What's going on, Visionaries? Gerald Lacey II here. I wanted to do another check-in and make sure that all of our mindsets are in a space of winning, in a space of togetherness, camaraderie, putting one foot in front of the other, failing fast, propelling faster, learning from our mistakes, unifying, congregating, communicating in a manner that brings us all together for the common goal as winning for humanity. Having love for one another, doing the things that it takes, having high-level communication to make sure that there's limited misunderstanding. And at the end of the day, it's all about mindset. It's all about harnessing positive energy. It's all about making sure that we're looking out for one another and providing breadcrumbs and information that allow us to not only refer back to ourselves, on our journeys, but to leave breadcrumbs for other visionaries who are also on their path, who may be lost, or who may be stuck, or who may be facing something that's a little beyond their capabilities when it comes to finances, or maybe it's infrastructure, or maybe it's team, or maybe understanding how to get their ideas out of their head onto a paper form that's digestible by the investment community, or how to put together their portfolios or their business or their proposals in a manner that's digestible from a banking perspective. Understanding how that some of the decisions that they make now greatly impact their future, how understanding finance and micro and macro finance, being in touch with the economy, understanding the programs that exist and how your business needs to look from a financial perspective in order to qualify, to make underwriters comfortable with stamping your packet approved. How do we do it? How do we pass that information? How do we legitimize our path to understanding banking infrastructure, and how to multiply our capital, and how to live off interest, and how to buy the right types of policies that empower us not only for now, but for our future and for our future generations. Now is a time where you can enjoy now. It's a little bit different than when we were growing up. Of course, you want to have your eyes set on the future, and you want to allocate a certain level of savings just for a rainy day, and you want to invest the rest into vehicles that multiply your capital, that experience compound interest, that allow you to really scale wealth. Have insurance policies on family members and close friends, so that you can look out for one of each other when the time comes when you're no longer on this earth. There's a lot of things that we could be doing to look out for each other, and it's okay to look out for each other. It's okay to be family. It's okay to be really good friends. It's okay to make sure you have each other's back from an individual perspective, from a family perspective, in every single possible way that we can look out for each other, and just be authentic, be real, stay visionary. Let's all be here for one another. I created a group called the Visionary Motivational Group. It's on Facebook. We can get on there. We'll be connecting to the power through the power of where we all meet. We will be assisting with systematic membership acquisition and benefits through our partnership with the Key. There's just a lot of things that we're doing to just make life a lot simpler, a lot more accessible, a lot easier, and put a seamless flow to your smile. It's Gerald Lacey II, author of The Visionary. If you haven't gotten a copy, I actually turned on the audiobook the other day and enjoyed some of the information. So I will have a program soon where I'll be giving them away through curriculum. Hopefully we can, the information seems valid enough to pass through to our youth. And but if you haven't gotten a copy, it's on Amazon, it's on thevisionarystore.com. And hey, be healthy, let's be wealthy, let's work together, let's build family, let's build smiles, and I'll see everybody at the top.